Are you still feeling the effects of a tough economy? You're late on your mortgage payments. You just can't afford it anymore. Your home is worth much less than you owe the bank. You have no idea what to do. Who can you turn to for real solutions? Experience, integrity, and professionalism. You expect nothing less, and that's exactly what you'll find at Ad Valorem Title and Services. With more than 10 years experience, Ad Valorem is the leading short sales specialist in South Florida. We handle short sales all day, every day. So no matter what your situation, AV Title and Services can help you to avoid foreclosure and show you how a short sale can keep you in control. Plus, we have excellent working relationships with the banks, and we still maintain an aggressive approach to get you the results you're looking for, so we can help you to protect your credit and your future purchasing power. And don't forget, Ad Valorem is a full-service title agency. Our experienced multicultural team can handle all aspects of any real estate transaction, residential, commercial, or investment property. Whether you're buying, selling, or refinancing, AV Title provides international service from the U.S. to the Caribbean to Europe. World-class service, state-of-the-art technology, and competitive pricing guaranteed. Ad Valorem Title and Services, not just service, solutions. Conveniently located on the corner of Pine Island Road and Sunrise Boulevard in Plantation, and proudly serving all of Florida. Call 954-607-5324 or visit avtitle.com.